Antony Blinken is scheduled to travel to the Middle East later today. Well, with me in the studio is Mohamed Taha from BBC Arabic. Good morning again to you, Mohamed. Let's just start with the word we're getting from the White House that the threat of an Iran strike or reaction from Iran will be happening this week.
Yeah, it's been 13 days where we're expecting Iran to reply or to respond to the killing of Ismail Haniyeh on their soil. And the White House is confirming that this attack is imminent. As you said, there are many aircraft carriers moved to the region. The last one is USS Abraham Lincoln carrier. These carriers, Sally, are huge. I did a report for the BBC Arabic about them. They are like moving airports. The length of a carrier is 365 meters, and they can carry 90 aircrafts with nuclear capabilities. So we are expecting, I think, escalation in the region soon.
And also, Secretary of State Antony Blinken making another trip to the Middle East, setting off later today.
Indeed, this is another trip from Antony Blinken. Whenever Antony Blinken comes to the region, this is an indication that there might be an escalation happens. He tries to de-escalate the situation, but many times he cannot do that.
Something you wanted to touch on was American troops in the region. What's the latest on that?
Indeed, now the Americans has got the submarine USS Georgia, which is a nuclear submarine, and they have the USS Abraham Lincoln aircraft carrier, along with the Theodore Roosevelt carrier as well. And the Italians as well moved some troops to the region. The Brits were fighting the Houthis at some point, and they have troops around there. So there is a massive escalation in the region at the moment, and there is this gathering of troops to deter any expected Iranian attack on Israel.
And while all of this is going on, the developments we've just touched on, what's happening in Gaza, the fighting there?
Fighting in Gaza is really intensified. In the last hours, there are 45 people died in Israeli shelling in Rafah and Khan Yunis. There is an announcement from Israel that some personnel were killed in Gaza as well. And there is this mysterious announcement from Hamas that some of the their guards of Israeli hostages killed one at least and injured some of the hostages.
Mohamed, thank you very much indeed. Mohamed Taha there from BBC Arabic. Now, on to a tragedy.